So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing too good. And based on I posted a post a few days back about like what do you guys want to learn, and I got the maximum votes for Python and pandas and the matplotlib, basically the pandas library or the Python libraries for which are required for the data science. So I heard you, and I have brought a full-fledged 7 days course for you about the Python. Okay, so let me start with something honest. Like, you don't need to be a good coding to enter the data science. Okay, in fact, most people who fail at Python are not bad learners, they just start at the wrong place. What if I told you that 7 days is enough to complete, like completely change how you see data and the Python? Okay, so let me introduce to like what I will be going to cover in this 7 days course. Let me introduce to the fun journey. So, starting with your relatable struggle, so let me guess how most of you feel right now. Like, Python looks scary to you, everyone else seems smarter, है ना? And tutorials like feel random. And somewhere inside, you are thinking maybe this is not for me. And if you've ever felt like, if ever felt that, then you are not alone. Okay, you are not alone. Like, many people find Python, like, don't who have never did coding now, like Python looks scary to them. So tension not, in the end of the like 7 days course you would be like familiar to Python. So now here's the truth that nobody tells the beginners that problem is not you. Okay, problem is usually the taught like a programming language. Like, Python is usually taught you like a programming language, like with beginners actually needed it to taught as a thinking tool for the data. And that mismatch is what creates a fear among yourself. Okay, so Python is traditionally taught wrong to you. The beginners are over load with extra and useless syntaxes, but in this course now I will be only teaching you only the useful syntaxes, only the useful codes which you need for the data science. So coming to like, what if Python felt simple? So let me ask you a different question. Like, what if Python felt simple? Like, ask this question to yourself. Okay, so what if instead of memorizing the syntax, you learn just enough Python to understand the data and ask questions to the data and find answers from the data? So that's the experience this series is designed to give you. Okay, so imagine no theory overload, no confusion loops for hours, just the real world data from day one. Okay, we will strip away the noise and teach you exactly what professional data scientists are use every single day. So this course basically will bring you the relief and the confidence which will start here. Okay, so next, like, what you will achieve in these 7 days. So let me talk about that, the most important topic of this slide. So in just 7 days now, you won't become a programmer. Okay, you won't become a programmer, but you will be able to understand the real data sets, clean the messy data confidently, है ना, find the patterns like that others miss, and create a clear and professional graph. And most important thing now, you will be able to think like a data person. Okay, and that confidence alone changes everything. So in this course you will be, so in this course, you will be understanding the real data sets, find the hidden insights, think like a data scientist, clean the messy data instantly, and create the professional graphs. So coming to the next, what you will learn in this 7 day roadmap. So here's how the journey looks, and notice I'm not overloading you. Okay. Day one, Python will suddenly start making sense to you. Okay. On the day two, the data will start making, decisions. On day three, your touch real data sets. You will touch the real data sets. And on day four, you will uncover some, insights. On day five, you will tell, stories about the data. And on day six, you will prepare data for your machine learning. The most important thing that most of the data scientists lag at, because the major part in the data science lies in the data cleaning. If you have cleaned your data, visualized your data very nicely, then the machine learning is like a cakewalk for you. Okay, so on the day 7 you will be building a complete mini project. Yeah, that's the grand finale of this course, a complete mini project. So each day will give a small win, and the small win will build the momentum. So working on, like, for whom the course is this for? Okay, so this series is perfect if you are an absolute beginner, a non-CS background student, curious but overwhelmed, scared of coding but interested in data. But let me clear you all, guys, like this is not for people looking for shortcuts or magic. It is for the people who are willing to show up and try, like are willing to do something. This course is for them. So coming on to the next, like, you won't feel like a beginner. Okay, something interesting happens when the beginners learn the right way. Okay, so stop saying that I'm bad at coding. Instead, you can start saying, like, I understand what this data is saying. That identity shift from I'm bad at coding to I understand what this data is saying is the real goal of this 7 days. Okay, so the next is, like, what will make this course different? So most traditional learning codes does the long theory, है ना, confusion syntax and no visible results. But this series na does opposite. It will be like visual, practical, beginner first, and results every day. So we optimize for confidence, not complexity. By this end of the 7 days, you will be having like visual and intuitive understanding about the Python, daily practical wins. And I said, like, the daily practical wins is the real goal of this 7 days. So this will optimize your this course is optimized for your confidence and not the complexity. Okay, so coming to the next, so this is just the beginning. And here's the exciting part, that once you're comfortable with Python and the data learning, machine learning, AI, and even the agentic AI becomes natural. Like, Python is the base for everything: the machine learning, artificial intelligence, agentic AI, and one more, that's generative AI. So this series is not the destination, it's just the doorway for you all, guys, है ना? So, like, just 7 days, one skill, lifetime coding confidence. Okay, so no prior knowledge needed, no pressures. Just show up every day, try, and you have nothing to lose. Okay, and a whole new future to gain. So this is just 7 days. You don't need any prior knowledge. You have no pressure. Okay, you have no expectations. Just a curiosity and willingness to learn is all you need to have it. Okay. So the worst case is that you gain the clarity. The best case is that you unlock a new direction. है ना? So if you have been waiting for a clear, beginner friendly place to start, this is it. Join the 7 Days Python for the Data Science series and start exactly where you are. I will guide you step by step, okay? So I hope you guys will like the series and you all are like as excited for this course as I am for teaching you. So just like this video, subscribe my channel for more tech updates, and do not forget to hype my video, and also do not forget to share it with your friends so that it reaches the right audience. So good luck, guys. I hope to see you all in the My Python series. Till then, bye bye.